Hi, it's Emily, and I've been looking forward to making this video. I have a nail kit, a gel nail kit from Amazon that I want to unbox and try out today. And hopefully it works. This is about the same price as getting your nails done one time. So I'm really excited about opening this and trying it out. Let's do it. Okay, here's the big reveal. Let's open this up. My daughter loves to do nails, so I thought that we could all use this. See what's in here. Oh, this is what you put like in between your toes. A little brush. It is really important to wash your hands before you put your gel nails on. Whoa, now that is a big mean file. That feels like sandpaper. And then another file. Here's the thing I don't like about getting my nails done at the salon is they take the big Dremel tool and go on your natural nail, and it just like makes me so worried about my nail to have them with the Dremel tool. And then they're not watching what they're doing and they're filing your nail, and pretty soon they've filed your fingertip. So I kind of just like to be in control and do my own nails. So hopefully this works out. I'm not trained in any way whatsoever. Oh, here's our gel nail polishes. Wow, this is well packaged, Amazon. Nicely done here. Look at these colors. And then this is a pretty big light. Looks like an igloo, doesn't it? And look at all these lights. Okay, these are the only instructions it came with. So I'll glance over these. Lamp. Which I bet all you have to do is plug this adapter in and turn it on. Okay, I'm excited to do my nails. And then there's an on-off, a 30-second, 60-second, and 120 seconds, and it's already on. Whoa. I wonder if it's automatic. Look, when you stick your hand under, it goes on automatically. Let's see what's in these little boxes. We didn't open this. Okay, let's see. It's a base gel and a top coat and another top coat. Top gel. Oh, there's a matte and probably a shiny. It comes with one of each. So far, this value is really great. Let's see what's in here. Cuticle oil. For when you're done with your manicure. How are you guys feeling so far about this kit? Good? And then there's some tools too. Just kind of like a cuticle pusher. Okay, well, so far so good. Now let's try it out. Okay, step one is to cut nails. Clip your nails using the enclosed nail clipper to the desired length. And I've already done that. And now file the nails. And I've already done that. Mine are pretty short, but that's kind of the way I want them. And then step number 3 is push back cuticles. And this little cuticle pusher came with it. Okay, so I'm taking my cuticle tool and pushing back the cuticle. That's pretty nice. Look at that. So before you put the base coat on, it wants you to file your nail, which these files that came with the kit are so abrasive, I am not going to use these. I mean, even this one, even the fine side of this one is very, very gritty. So I have a nail file that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to gently buff my whole nail. It's not as bad as using a Dremel tool, guys, but I know this is kind of cringy. So I'm prepping all my nails, and especially if you've got layers peeling off like that, just make sure that that's filed down. Okay, my nails are filed and my cuticles are pushed down. I'm a little buffed up so the gel has something to adhere to. And I've washed my hands. And now I'm ready to apply the base coat. I'm going to do my whole left hand because remember, this lamp is pretty good sized. I think it's going to fit it nicely. You just brush on a base coat just like you would nail polish, just like a clear nail polish. That's what I love about gel nails. If you know how to paint your nails, you can do gel nails because that's all it is. You're just painting your nails basically. There's a few steps to it, but there's really nothing to it. I'm going to cure the base coat for 60 to 90 seconds. So here's my little igloo. I'm going to go 120 because it says 60 to 90. And there's not a 90. Number 6 is apply base coat. Number 7 is cure. Number 8 is apply the color gel. 120 seconds, that's 2 minutes. It feels like it's been 2 minutes. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to apply the color. What color should I use? I think I'm going to go red. I might go 2 different colors. I'm going to go this reddish color and this kind of a gray color. So I'm just going to paint my nails just like I would with nail polish. This is actually pretty. Okay, I'm going to use this tool just because once I put this in, once I cure this, it's going to be cured onto my skin, which it would come off in a day or two, but I'm going to prevent that by just going just like that. Oh, that looks better. I kind of got overzealous with this nail polish. Kind of a lot came out on the brush. I'll be more careful. I just had to kind of get used to it on my first nail. Okay, there. Do you see kind of what I'm doing? I'm just getting the excess nail polish off, so it's just on my nail. And don't worry about getting it to look perfect on the first coat because you do 2 coats. And then I'm going to do the different color on my ring finger. Whoa, I'm not sure about this color. Kind of looks like a color you'd paint your walls at your house. I'm not 100% sure about this. That's what it looks like. All right, there's my left hand. I'm going to put this in for 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, so this is pretty easy so far. I mean, it's just like filing your nails and painting them. Our 2 minutes should be just about up, and then I'll put another coat on. Okay, there's our 2 minutes. I'm really not loving this one kind of beigey looking nail. You know, I think I'm just going to paint over it in red. Okay, this is coat number 2. This really is so simple. See what happens if I just put this right over the top. Oh, it's just going to be a little bit lighter because it's got the undertone. Into the light they go. Okay, that's 2 minutes. I think it looks really pretty. I might work on this ring finger just a little bit to make it the same color. I think it needs one more coat, but it's not bad. So I just was reading in the instructions, and it says to prevent peeling, do a horizontal, a little horizontal paint on the end of your nail. So I'm guessing like this, just to give it the extra protection not to chip. I'm going to give this one nail one more coat. The others look fantastic. And then give that horizontal coat time to dry. Look at those. That's pretty good. That looks like pretty professional. Okay, now the next step is top gel. The top coat. That looks really nice. I'm pretty happy with this. Let me shake this up. Oh, that goes on really well. So you start with your base coat, then you put your color, and then you end with your top coat. So you have 3 steps, and you cure in between each one. Looks nice. Okay, and then I'm going to cure this. I'm going to do 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. And then that's it. After I've cured the top coat, then finish with cuticle oil. That didn't take very long. That's it. Now, cuticle oil. Oh, these feel really good, actually. Nice. So get that cuticle oil all rubbed in, and that is the last step. My left hand turned out really well. I'm very pleased with it. Looks good, I'm happy with it. And now I'm going to do my right hand. One of the very best things about gel nails is once it's done, it's dry. So you don't have to walk around the house like drying your nails. It seems like every time I paint my nails, I get smudged, no matter what. So this, it's already dry. You don't even have any wait time for the drying, and it never smudges. Well, I'm done with all my nails, and it's time for the review. What do you think? You want to know what I think? Nailed it. I love them. Love my nails. For this price, I mean, we're talking $37.99. The price to get your nails done one time at the salon. Look at everything you get. You get all these accessories. You get 2 top coats, 1 base coat, 6 color gels, a cuticle oil, and the best part is this lamp. Nice and roomy. I like it. You're not going to hit your nails on the top or the sides. Got plenty of room in here. I really like it. It's got LED lights, so these bulbs are going to last forever. I'm giving it an A because it's a well-deserved grade. It hit all the marks. Look at these nails. I'm so happy. I did these myself. Didn't have to make an appointment. Didn't have to get my nails Dremel tooled. And I'm pleased with the outcome. Nailed it. Go do yours and then post a picture in the comments.